Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a blockage in your toilet or an item like I have in this job that is stuck inside your toilet. So first of all, what you want to do is remove the cistern lid from the toilet. If you don't know how to do that, then click in the top corner. There's plenty of videos of how to remove a cistern lid. With the cistern lid removed, you need to get to these two fixings here and undo them. If they're rusted on, there's also a video of how to remove rusty screws. Then find that, remove them screws, and then that is the cistern taken care of. Moving down to the base of the toilet, you then need to locate these two fixings either side of the toilet. These are normally covered in a white or chrome cap that you can pop off with a flat screwdriver. Then you want to undo the screws from the fixing. So this fixing will look like these fixings down here. So there's an L bracket that goes inside the toilet, and then these fixings is the fixings you want to remove. They just screw into the L plates, but you can't see them. They're just inside this part of the toilet, and it holds it to the floor and maybe some silicone. So you might need to cut the silicone around the toilet. So for this job, there was a blockage here of a toilet brush head. So the lady was cleaning the toilet and she was spinning it, and it unspun the toilet brush head from the brush handle and got stuck at this part. So to remove the toilet, we need to pull the toilet from this connection forward. That's why we've got to undo all the fixings. But let's get into the video. So from here, I've already removed the fixings from the toilet and I've pulled it forward like so. So this white pipe isn't normally here. That's a bit of Hepto flexible pipe that I've shoved down the back of the toilet to push the brush head, as you can see, forward, so I can then get hold of it. So what I've then done is I've grabbed my grips and I've gripped it to pull it out. So you should never force anything down your toilet, because it will get blocked further down, because the passageways get narrower and it can cause you a lot of aggro. So you should always pull the toilet out to isolate the problem from going further down the line. So with that removed, you then do everything in reverse order, push the toilet back into the pan connector and do up all the fixings. And once you've done that, give it a good test and check for leaks. If this video has helped, please subscribe to the channel. There's over 180 videos on the channel, and I hope this helps you. Have a good day.